How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make an image inclusion card in Anki. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your browser, and then you want to search for the image occlusion enhance Anki. Head over to the Anki web result, scroll down, and then you want to get this number right here. So let's just copy this, head back to Anki, and then you want to head over to tools, click add-ons, get add-ons, and then you want to paste the code right here. Click on OK, and then the occlusion add-on will now download. So to apply the changes, you just want to restart Anki, close the application, open it up again. And basically from here, if we click on add, we will be able to create our own image occlusion. Click on choose, and that's about it. You can now select your image the way you want to, but generally it's going to look something like this. You can click on the add image occlusion option to add your image, and voila. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.